All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I decided to go ahead and pick up some accessories for my iPhone 13 Pro. I always get a lot of cases from Supcase, and I decided to go ahead and support the company that supports me by actually purchasing these items. They did give a pretty big discount since we're in the recording this video is Black Friday season or whatever. So got these at a really good discount. Plus my military helped out as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and try on this first case here. I bought a couple of cases because I really like them, and these are the cases that they've sent me out before, so I know what they're like. But I wanted to go ahead and buy them for my 13 Pro. So let's go ahead and get this off here. We'll try these on. And I'm gonna go ahead and get a MagSafe product as well. I'm gonna clean up the back of my phone before I put this on. So this case right here will be the case I use if I'm just lounging, going somewhere, just relaxing, and I want to have a nice case on there that's not too heavy duty, but this is a heavy duty case. Don't let it fool you. So this is really nice right here. They have this little design in the inside saying Supcase products and then military grade protection. I think that's pretty cool. And I got this color obviously because my device is the powder blue, the Sierra blue, and I really like this. So I do have MagSafe products, and you can see it pops right on, and it's gonna work perfectly fine. Oh, there. I was about to say, man, I know it's got some charge, but it does work. There you go. It's fully charged already, but really nice to have a MagSafe products on one of their cases. Now, I really wish that they would have MagSafe for this product, because this is the product that I'll probably wear the most. And again, I'll leave a link to both of these in the description, but I love this case so much, man. I'll tell you, I had to just buy it. I mean, I really could have reached out and said, hey, can you please send me? But I said, you know what? I'm going to support this company. They have, and support meaning I'm going to pay for this myself because I really like this case. But this is the also famous belt clip that, you know, people don't really use that. I use it sometimes, but not a lot. Now, the difference with this case, this is one of the cases that they sent me out. Now, this is my 14 Plus right here. And obviously, I love this color. This sky blue is one of my favorite colors, if you guys didn't know. But I love this case so much, I just grabbed it for the 13 Pro. Because obviously, you can see I wear it on here and I wear it on other devices as well. But the difference, obviously, is that this version right here doesn't have the MagSafe, which is why I got this case, so I can have some MagSafe if I wanted to have some MagSafe at some point or another when using this device. But I like this case a lot, man, so I went on ahead and grabbed it, and we're going to go ahead and put it on. This will probably be the case I wear the most. I mean, I genuinely really like this case a lot. But again, I had to get something MagSafe, you know, because why not? You gotta have something MagSafe. So let's pop this on here. I need to clean up my screen first. And I do have a tempered glass on here, and I know that their cases work very well with tempered glasses, so I don't have to take it off. I can actually remove the framing on here too. That's normally what I do, if I'm being honest. I take out their plastic film protector in there because I do have a tempered glass on here, and so I'll take theirs off. I mean, I like it. It's good. If you don't have a tempered glass, you definitely should leave it on. But if you want to leave your tempered glass on, these cases work great with them. I mean, I've done it a bunch of times, man. It just works. So I'm going to go ahead and pop it down in here. I always go this side first. And just make sure you line everything up. And that, folks, is a flawless setup. As you can see, yeah, the cases work great with people who already have tempered glasses on there. And now I kind of have like my ultimate setup here. I have my ultimate setup here for my devices. I really like this case a lot. I just wish that it had the MagSafe like this version does. And they pretty much did the MagSafe for the bigger phones, it appears. But I definitely like this case a lot, and this is like the ultimate protection for a device. If you don't want to spend a lot of money and you don't want to have a very, very bulky case on your phone, but more than likely I'll end up gutting this one out. I don't have it on this one, and let me show you what I mean here, because I have a tempered glass on this case as well. or this phone as well. And you can see here, I removed the plastic framing. That's all. I do that from time to time because I really want to feel just the glass. And I know I'm certainly going to probably remove it from this one. Again, if you don't have a tempered glass, and as you can see, it works well with the tempered glass on there. There's nothing wrong with it at all. Works just fine. It's just the touch to it isn't as smooth as a glass, and it kind of bows a little bit if you do have a glass, because the glass is pushing it up a little bit more. But everything works great, man. The buttons and everything, tactile feedback on here is really nice. You can see all the ports and everything, and this does work with wireless charging. So this case, while it does have MagSafe on this one, it works with wireless charging. In this case, will work with wireless charging as well. So let me show you here. Let's go ahead and get this powered on. There you go. So it works with wireless charging. That's not really an issue. It's just the MagSafe is the only thing I wish it had. But other than that, this is the lineup, man. I got these two cases. And again, they sent me this one, so I was motivated to support the company that supports me. And so I do have MagSafe if I want it. But if I'm being honest, this is one of my favorite cases. The Unicorn Beetle Pro is just beast mode. I have it on everything, man. I mean, this is the Z Flip 4, have it for the Z Fold 4. And again, I appreciate them have it for the iPhone 14 Plus, iPhone 14 Pro Max, iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is just like the ultimate case to me from Supcase. It is the ultimate, man. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. I just want to share some love to Supcase and support the brand that supports me. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.